Hi guys, this is another video of how to. Today I'm going to do a how to on how to entertain yourself in lockdown. So this is just 3 tips. I might post some more under this video. Do check them out. Alright, tip number 1. Watch movies with families. I do this with my brother and my family, and my parents, sorry. And we always watch movies that we all like, so it's actually really fun. We stay up nice and late and watch them, so that's something to bear in mind. Number 2, make something. So I'm currently trying to think of different designs for car wheels because I just got interested in it one day, so I'm thinking of doing that. Comment below what you think you want to do. So number 3, learn something new. I'm learning to do the Rubik's Cube. It's a work in progress. And so also comment below what you're going to learn to do in lockdown. So hope you're coping well with your family. Just if you're bored, then do these tips, and then they hopefully will guide you out of this stress. So yeah, that's it. Like and subscribe below. See you next time.